Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can avoid breaking tables in Microsoft Word and keep table in one Word page. Now let's fix this problem. For example, I have this table. If I have some text, for example, equal round 8 paragraphs, just for example. Okay, you see the table is split into two parts. To fix this problem, just select the table, then from home, click this icon, line and page breaks, keep with next, this one. Okay, good. Now you can keep the table in one page, but you see the caption is far from the table. To keep the caption with the table, again select the caption, from home, click this icon, keep with next. Okay, because the table don't fit with the space, directly it goes to the next page with the caption. The caption always goes with the table. For example, I delete this paragraph. You see, the caption and table comes to the first page. This one. Okay. If you found this video helpful, please like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.